advantage nila dito. Pero we've seen so many familiar faces para dito sa Tatak Gel Binyan, even though this is a new team. Nakita mo din on the starting five. That is Gab sa laro, Sir Joel.
And ito ngayon, agawan ng bola, nakuha ni Conejo. Gives it up and easy lay-in para dito kay Rainier Sarmiento.
Para hindi ka rin maligaw, hindi ka rin maninibago sa ikutan ng tao.
And of course, yun din, yung chance mo whenever you get on the court, it's your chance to shine as well.
Oh yes. Yan talaga ng mga referees natin dito na nakadalawa ka talaga. Suspended ka talaga. So balik tayo dito sa laro. Walang free throws right there. May Panzo, catch and shoot on that corner. Ganun na ganun yung galaw ni Coach Mark Pangilinan when he was playing. And team consultant is Coach Denok Miranda sa one of the coaching staff in the FEU. And former head coach ng Tama Raus to, si Coach Denok bago pinalitan ni Coach na talagang alam mo yung binibigyan niya ng mga tips na how to handle those players and giving them another mga drills.
And I'm sure that Simon Moreno, let's take another look at that. Grabs that offensive rebound. And binaliwala ang depensa ng dalawang. Tumatakbo ito ngayon ang Junior Huskers. Layup doesn't go, but it's rebounded by Karurukan. A familiar refrain. Misses, but on the another putback is John Magnaye.
John Magnaye is the, di ba?
It's nagiging team effort siya talaga. As we see a three from Rehanot. And a little bit of a press mula sa Binyan. Drop pass. Connects and that goes para dito. Kiaos Junior MPBL.
So, talaga pinapakitaan din talaga tayo dito, Sir Joel.
As Conejo, ngayon, nahanap niya yung kanyang kakampi, Adriel Padilla.
Laki din ito ni Padilla.
Encarnacion open for the jumper and he makes it.
Talaga kami sa iyo, Sir Roby.
Maraming salamat as Encarnacion magpapasalamat din with the breakaway layup. As binawian naman dito ngayon.
They're only down by 4 na nitong City of Binyan. What a jumper right there. Wow.
Carl Marks Diaz.
Sa Cavite. Sa Cavite, sorry, sa Binyan.
Sa Binyan.
So, alam naman natin itong kalibre nitong point guard si Chris Paul Miranda. Malamang nagmana ito sa tatay niya, which is kilala.
That drive mula dito kay Rainier Argosino. And Conejo with another back-to-back basket for Gab Conejo.
Sa 16 and under division natin, but pinapakita niya, it doesn't matter kung saan division o maglalaro.
As Encarnacion with another breakaway layup.
No, Binyan is enjoying
Konting lakas dun sa kanilang mga tira. Here's Alcantara. He will attack. And he will get the end one. That is a pound-for-pound fitness.
Nung offensive rebound, ito na nga yung pound-for-pound fitness. Foul counted natin, absorbing a contact using the glass para di...
De Mesa, he gets that baseline jumper. Now this is a matchup I want.
Whoa!
And there's a steal by De Mesa. De Mesa goes up and he will get his own pound-for-pound foul counted play. Let's take another look at that play. Inatake ang depensa ni Encarnacion. Lanky, but can bring the ball up. But sabi ni Panzo doon, kaya kong i-steal yan. Chase down, but unsuccessful for pound. Foul counted play. Pound for Pound Fitness, the official fitness partner of the Junior MPBL.
Yung mga player natin dito, hindi...
Sarmiento, that is stolen. Panzo with a steal and another breakaway layup.
What a steal right there by the Quezon Husk.
Off. Nauuna dito sa Sarmiento, goes up for the layup, and that's good.
The squad of Coach Mark Pangilinan caught napping.
The action, he's got Conejo on the right, but that is blocked. Tumatakbo dito ang orange shirts. And that is a lay-in para kay Batan.
Yan, na pagdadaanin itong Batan. And look at that block right there.
Gets it to Ratuiste. Here's Marasigan. Back to Ratuiste for 3. This time it's long. Marasigan with a putback.
Itong sipag itong going for the 3 ball. The ball out. Parang mag-attempt na naman ng 3 points, but to put it back again right away.
And that is a soaring layup mula dito kay John Magnaye. 4 out of 24 as a steal there. Vivas goes up and off the bank.
Na-dominate na dito itong Quezon Husker because of their hustle plays like that.
Ken
in this
Harry
quarter.
Marasigan started by Enobal. Mintis doon si Alcantara but he picks up the loose ball. Was able to get it to his teammate Adriel Padilla. Ratuiste from the corner. Yes!
Kitang-kita ng referee in front of the referee.
As we
When that
take
can
another
happen.
look of this at this corner 3.
Play talaga kasi pangalawang 3 points pa lang nila yan. Sa dinami-dami ng binato nila. At saka nabati ko. Back to back.
Diaz probing. Diaz, what a one-handed shot, but the putback is there.
He adjusted it.
To Diaz. Swings it over to the side. Diaz gets it back. Nice fake and easy lay-in.
Good patience right there by Karl Marx.
Downhill for Karl Marx Diaz. Diaz goes up and off the bank. And that is it for Ratuiste. Getting a couple of threes. So, meron silang 12-point lead heading into the fourth quarter. Itong Quezon Junior Huskers.
Now it's time for Binyan to struggle on the line.
As we take
Speaking
a
of
look.
struggle, walang kahirap-hirap para dito sa...
Ayan ang ating pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play. Pound-for-pound fitness, the official fitness partner of the junior.
Takbo dito itong orange shirt. Now, extended layup para dito sa number 24 ng Quezon, Mel Gerard Hapor.
Well, they are staring at a 19-point deficit. Encarnacion wants to chip away at it and he is successful in taking it by 3.
Nakita kung ginawa, diba?
Kung hinabol nung screener
Yes,
yung screen. A duel with Encarnacion. Ratuiste open for 3. Yes! That is his third triple. Becoming the designated shooter but hindi siya nakatingin nung pinasa ni Reyes yung bola sa kanya. As James on the attack. That's Hapor with the basket.
Hapor is an easy 2 points for him. There.
Encarnacion misses on the first floater but gets it in the second. Junior Hustlers ang kanilang laro. As Ken Harry Marasigan with a nice up and
Pinoy
step. Yeah.
So, energy guy siya ng 14 and under division pa yun.
Oh.
Nasa 16 and under siya. Kaya he is like also Gab Conejo. They're still adjusting here in the physical.
Ken Harry gets away from Alcantara. Ken Harry for the baseline jumper. Yes! And yung kayang maglaro talaga are itong si James Alcantara and itong si Sarmiento. And
Sa likod niya is white shirts din. So sayang lang din if ever if isi-save niya.
And that's a basket for Gab Conejo.
So congratulations to the boys of Mark Pangs Pangilinan for winning their first game here in the Season 2 of